Hello everyone. We, the Department of Physics, are presenting you a beautiful video regarding International Science Day. World Science Day highlights the significant role of science in society and the need to engage the wider public in debates on emerging scientific issues. The year 2021 marks 20th edition with climate change becoming a serious threat to the lives of billions of people. This year's celebration highlights the importance of building climate-ready communities.
Guess who is this?
He was an Indian physicist who carried out groundbreaking work in the field of light scattering, which earned him the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics. In 1954, India honored him with its highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. It is Chandrasekhar Venkataraman, also known as C.V. Raman.
നവംബറിലെ ലാഭവും നഷ്ടവും. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് സി വി രാമനെ നവംബറിലെ ലാഭവും നഷ്ടവും എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്?
Because C.V. Raman born in November.
Of course, it's a benefit for us.
And also he died on November. That's a loss.
Do you know why we celebrate National Science Day on February 28th?
It's because C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect on February 28th.
Let's see recent achievements in science. So we are moving to our first topic, Hubble discoveries. What is astrophysics?
Astrophysics is the study of how stars, planets, and other things in the universe work, and how we can learn about them. Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope is a space telescope that was launched into a low Earth orbit in 1990 and remains in operation. It was not the first space telescope, but it is one of the largest and most versatile, renowned both as a vital research tool and as public relations moon for astronomy.
Next, Hubble peaks.
This is invisible but reveals its existence via gravity, makes up roughly 23% of the universe. By analyzing the distortions caused by dark matter's gravity on light from distant galaxies, Hubble helped construct the largest scale 3D maps scientists have of where dark matter is distributed in the universe. Hubble discovered two new moons of Pluto, dubbed Nix and Hydra, and recently mapped seasonal changes to its surface.
Next, is there aliens in the world?
By gazing at star-forming regions such as the Orion Nebula, Hubble was able to show that protoplanetary disks of gas and dust are ubiquitous around many young stars. This reinforces that idea that alien worlds are common in the universe. Hubble discovered that supermassive black holes probably lurk in every galaxy that has a bulge of stars at its center. The very tight link between the size of these central black holes and the size of their galaxies, Hubble saw and also showed that both evolve in concert, shedding light on how the universe has evolved over time.
So let's know about James Webb Space Telescope.
The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is a space telescope being jointly developed by NASA, the European Space Agency ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency CSA. It is planned to succeed the Hubble Space Telescope as NASA's flagship astrophysics mission. This will provide improved infrared resolution and sensitivity over Hubble and will enable a broad range of investigations across the fields of astronomy and cosmology, including observing some of the most distant events and objects in the universe, such as the formation of the first galaxies and detailed atmosphere characterization of potentially habitable exoplanets. The JWST is scheduled to be launched on December 18, 2021 during Ariane flight VA256.
Next, Hubble peaks. Our next topic is pacemaker for brain.
This neuromodulator device is developed by researchers from UCSF Health. This method is used to treat depression and is called deep brain stimulation. It's a cigarette box or matchbox sized device implanted in the skull. It detects depression symptoms and reacts by sending electric stimulations to brain and alleviate the right way.
It is a piece of pacemaker in our brain. Let's know how it works.
Two electrodes are placed in brain. First is to detect the start of depression cycle and second is to emit stimuli to contract symptoms. Amygdala is a small site in brain which is responsible for emotion such as fear and anger. They are called worst depression symptoms. Ventral striation is involved with motivation, emotion and is stimulated which eliminates depression feeling.
Here are some funny quiz and puzzles. You have a glass of water and a glass of milk. You need to empty the two liquid into a barrel such that the two liquids can be differentiated. You are able to separate milk and water.
The answer is pour the water in the barrel, then freeze it and pour the milk in the barrel.
What is an astronaut's favorite key on the computer keyboard?
It is the space bar.
Find the words. Can you solve this riddle?
Thank you all for your valuable time.